What's up everybody, welcome back to another video about Axie Infinity. What surprise changes occur in Axie Infinity, let me show you. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. The current price of the Axie Infinity in the market is 68.39 USD dollar. That is the live price of the Axie Infinity. Other side, if we talk about the changes of the Axie Infinity, so the last 1 hour changes is a negative, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur in the Axie Infinity is completely going positive. Positive changes occur in the Axie Infinity. Really appreciate. Anyways guys, Axie Infinity is good for investment if you want to invest in Axie Infinity, so that's really a profitable coin. But you know what, the price of Axie Infinity is very highly, so please do a lot of research about it. Research is very important for you because the price is very highly. And you can see, my friends, gradually the price increasing every day. You can see this time the price 64 and now this time the price is 68, so that's really huge price cryptocurrencies market. Please do your own research about that if you want to buy. Other side, my technical analysis, my price prediction is going positive because in August month a lot of coin is positive, so Axie Infinity will be positive, and just hold to the last of August for a long term. I hope that will give you a huge profit. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.